All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Tonight, I should say, this is about the third bike I've worked on today. We made a little progress on the CB 504 build. We did a little bit more wrapping up the old Yamaha. And tonight, just to get some things done, this bike is really gonna free up some cash or get us into a next trade. So this is gonna be a quick, minimal effort, maximum results video. So let's jump into getting this dirty old $100 Yamaha and get it either traded up or sold and get some cash for these other bikes. Let's jump into it. Well, that's how you make an ugly bike less ugly. I still can't say it's pretty, but for a $100 bike, we took this thing down to bare metal, clear coated it, spray painted some things, did some pipe wrap, Euro bars, Vans grips in the weirdest color ever. That's an orange, the little seat from Amazon, and that's about it. The bike is wrapped up, ready to trade or be sold, but one thing I can say is it's worth more than what I paid for it, which was $100. This bike was gonna be scrapped. I'd rather give them the $100 and do a little something with it and trade up or sell to the next thing. Hey, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and keep your eye out for more videos like this one.